Alright, so I am in the process of manufacturing a somewhat automated case feeder for my Hornady lock and load press, and this is what I've got so far. The white plastic components are actually Delrin, and the gray component that you see here is PVC, which I might at some point go back and make that out of aluminum, just so that I've got a little bit more wear resistance there. The cam wire is stainless steel, and I've got a few features. I've stolen some ideas from several different presses and kind of combined them all into one. I like the Hornady design as far as how this pivots. It's spring loaded. I've seen some guys do more of a slide mechanism that goes back and forth, and I'm not real crazy about that. But I don't know that I'm going to incorporate the motorized hopper component. I might utilize a Lee feed assembly that's got the coilator on it, and mount that. I've got this 80-20 extrusion here that's slotted on all four sides, so I could adjust that up and down for different case sizes and whatnot. Anyhow, the cases will eventually drop from some sort of tube into that area, and then as you index the press up, it works essentially the same as the Hornady design. It just cams around, drops the shell into the bottom, and then I can adjust this, of course, just like the Hornady setup would be, to where it would automatically feed the case into the exact position. For now, because the press is new and I'm still getting used to priming on in a forward motion, I have decided temporarily that I'm going to leave it like this, and that forces me to remember to go into, we'll back out just a little bit, go forward into that priming position, and you can see from there that the priming pin is up. I have on my sub slide here, I have done a pin guide system, and it's spring loaded, so it'll push the case into the shell plate, and then the springs kick in, and basically it only pushes the shell back so far. So you can see this would be all the way forward, and then you can see that. Get it zoomed in there without, you can see how the springs kick in. So, obviously that shell, that case will go to the next station, come back up. The next case would have dropped into that position, and as it comes up, it just drops it down. So, still got a little work to do to it, but I'm pretty satisfied with the results so far. Been a fun little project. I don't know that it's been worth the time that I've invested in it versus just buying one. At this point, I've got quite a bit of time in it, and it still needs some refinement, of course, but fun nonetheless. Post any comments or suggestions that you may have. I'm always open to feedback, and appreciate you guys watching.